Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Propolis Tincture. First, gather your essential materials: raw propolis, high-proof food-grade alcohol, and a clean glass jar. It is crucial to select propolis that is as pure as possible, free from any unwanted debris. For the alcohol, aim for at least 80% purity to ensure effective extraction of the beneficial compounds. Having these items ready sets the foundation for a successful tincture. Next, prepare your propolis for extraction. Freezing the raw propolis for several hours makes it much easier to handle, allowing it to become brittle. Once frozen, you can easily crush or grind it into a fine powder or very small pieces. This increases the surface area, which is vital for efficient extraction. Then, combine 1 part propolis with 2 to 3 parts alcohol by weight in your glass jar, ensuring a good ratio. Now it is time for the maceration process. Seal your jar tightly and place it in a cool, dark location away from direct sunlight. For the next 2 to 4 weeks, you will need to shake the mixture vigorously once or twice every day. This consistent agitation helps the alcohol thoroughly extract all the valuable compounds from the propolis, creating a potent solution. Patience during this stage is key. Finally, we move to filtering and storage. After the maceration period, carefully filter the liquid to separate the propolis solids from your newly formed tincture. You can use a coffee filter or several layers of cheesecloth for this step. Repeat the filtering until the liquid appears clear and free of any particulate matter. Store your finished propolis tincture in a dark glass dropper bottle to protect it from light and maintain its potency for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.